All right, folks, just got home with a new toy. Just picked this up on the way back from the river. And this will be hauling crap, taking stuff to the dump, etc. during the build down at the river. So I got the chimney down to about chest height. And I'll pick up again in a week or two. Cheers. All right, folks, so here's an update on the chimney progress. This has been becoming quite the slog, as you might imagine. So there used to be a steel pyramid that kind of went up around this trapezoidal area, and that's what the terracotta flue sat on. It was all rusted out around the back border, and I had to cut, here's a part of it right here, I had to cut across there and cut across there and to get it out. And I also cut down here because there was a metal archway there, and then cut across up here. So that got that metal chunk out of the way. This is the wood stove pipe that I put in, and this is the cover for the opening of the flue. Underneath is the mechanism to open the old flue before I took it apart and put in this metal plate here. And then there's basically two layers of brick behind the metal box. And this has been solid ever since, I don't know, about this high. It's been solid brick all the way down. So it's been kind of a slog getting this out. I have no idea how hard it's going to be to get this metal box out from this foundation here. That is just another thing around the corner that I'm dreading. So this is the wall to our bedroom. That's to the bathroom. And of course, that's on the other side of that is the kitchen. And here's a view looking up at the fan. Running there, doing a great job. So that's where I'm at. This is probably going to take 3 or 4 more trips down before I can get this below floor level. That's my goal, is to get it down below floor level so that I can, so that 2x8s or 2x6s could go across there. Whatever is going to be required to span that. I have no idea what foundation is under this. The new post for the center support for the ridge beam is going to be about 2 feet that way, down on the floor at that corner. Basically, that corner is going to be the post that'll support the new I-beam that's going to replace this I-beam. So that goes all the way back to the corner. The post goes down. And then adjacent to that post, about a foot over or so, is the main post that supports the ridge beam upstairs for the roof. Anyway, that's where we're at. I'll keep you posted.